How to insert a landing page. Open your WordPress dashboard. Click Edit with Elementor. Click on Site Setting. Hit the settings icon below. From Page Layout drop-down, select Elementor of Canvas. Now you will see a widget box. Click on folder icon. A new window will be appeared. Select your page and click Insert. Don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link in the description below, and if you like the video, smash the like button and see you in the next video. Thank you.